Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2023 GMC 1500 Elevation. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, Bose sound system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission of course, has front collision alert, lane keep assist, Bluetooth, navigation, and a sunroof. This 2023 GMC Elevation has a 5.3 liter paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive. Lots of room in the rear passenger compartment with seating for 3. Also has a couple of USB ports and of course the GMC heavy duty laser molded mats. Thanks for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about this 2023 Elevation, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.